Most people think you need a pharmacy degree or local license to enter the pharmaceutical industry. That is simply not true. In this video, we will show you the real roadmap thousands of beginners use to start a pharma career in the USA or Canada, including 17 roles that need no license, real salaries, and a step-by-step method to get your first interview starting now. And at the end, we will give you a free career map you can download. It summarizes everything and shows exactly where you fit.
If you're an immigrant, a career changer, or you simply have no idea where to start, you're not alone. 90% of beginners fail in pharma because they don't know which roles accept beginners. Their CV is not pharma style. They choose the wrong department. They apply without a strategy. They get no replies, even if qualified. And the worst part? People repeat the same mistakes for months or years. Not because they're bad candidates, but because nobody explained the real system.
Before we continue, if you want a simple visual map of all pharma roles and salaries, we put together a free guide called Pharma Career Roadmap. You can download it using the link below. Now, let's go step by step.
The pharma industry has 7 major departments: quality assurance, QA, regulatory affairs, pharmacovigilance, drug safety, supply chain, sales, market access, business development. Most beginners imagine pharmacists or labs, but these departments are office-based, no license required, and open to beginners.
Universities don't teach how a real pharma company actually works. They don't explain the departments, the workflows, or the real entry positions beginners get hired into. So in this video, we will break it down for you in a simple way, and it will help you start career in pharma.
Here are examples of real entry-level roles beginners get hired into across quality, regulatory, supply chain, pharmacovigilance, and commercial departments. Quality and regulatory department, you can be QA assistant, document control, regulatory administrator, supply chain department. You can start as supply chain coordinator, logistics specialist. Pharmacovigilance department needs pharmacovigilance support, commercial department looking for pharma sales coordinator, market access support.
If you want the full list, including job descriptions and beginner salaries, it's inside the free Pharma Career Map. Link is below this video. Open it in a new tab and download after you watch.
Let's talk numbers. Based on publicly available data from platforms like Indeed and Glassdoor, entry-level pharma roles in the USA usually start around $45,000 to $65,000 per year. In Canada, around $42,000 to $58,000. And the good news is, after just 12 to 18 months of experience, many roles grow into the $70,000 to $90,000 range, depending on the department. These are typical market salary ranges and not guaranteed. Of course, these numbers are based on public data, and salaries always vary by company, city, and experience, but the market clearly shows strong growth potential.
Here is the structured 5-step roadmap beginners use to enter the pharma industry, even without experience or a license. This is the same process used by people who switch careers successfully in the US and Canada.
Step 1. Choose your department strategically. Each pharma department has a different entry path, learning curve, and salary range. The key is to select the one that matches your background and personality: QA, regulatory, PV, supply chain, or sales. A clear direction immediately improves your chances of getting interviews. Step 2. Fix your CV and LinkedIn using pharma standards. Pharma recruiters look for specific skill signals. Use clean bullet points, measurable results, and the right keywords. These keywords are called ATS keywords. They help your CV pass the digital filters used by most companies. We included a ready-to-use list of the strongest ATS keywords in the free guide below. Step 3. Apply to roles consistently. Instead of applying to 100 jobs in one day and then stopping, apply to 5 to 10 relevant roles each day. This keeps your profile active in the system and dramatically increases your chance of being seen by recruiters. Small daily actions create real momentum. Step 4. Use professional recruiter outreach scripts. A friendly, well-structured message to a recruiter or hiring manager can open doors instantly. Beginners who use even simple outreach scripts often receive 3-5 positive replies every week, even without experience or a license. Step 5. Prepare for the most common interview topics. You don't need deep pharma knowledge in the beginning, but you do need to show that you understand the basics of your chosen department and can explain your experience clearly. This alone puts beginners above most applicants.
People who follow this 5-step system usually get their first interview within 2 to 6 weeks, even if they're starting from zero. If you want everything organized in one place, the department map, beginner-friendly roles, typical salary ranges, and the strongest ATS keywords, download the free Pharma Career Guide below. After going through it, you'll understand exactly where you fit and how to begin your pharma journey. When you download the free Pharma Career Guide, it will be sent to your email right away. To make sure you don't miss it, check your inbox and also your promotions tab. If the email is in promotions, just drag it into your inbox and confirm. This tells Gmail to deliver all future guides, checklists, and templates directly to you. If this video was helpful, subscribe. We're creating more beginner-friendly tutorials on QA, regulatory affairs, supply chain, pharmacovigilance, interviews, CV improvement, and real examples you can copy. See you in the next video.